Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So in this video, I'm going to show you the two methods. The first one is to open Instagram, and then you need to click on the search icon and search here the username that you blocked. So I'm going to search for the person that I remember the name. Okay, search for the person here and click on unblock. So this is the first method to unblock someone on Instagram. The second method is to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on privacy and scroll down, and here you can see the option of blocked accounts. Click on that and you can find blocked accounts here, and you simply need to click on unblock and that account will be unblocked. So this is the process by which you can unblock someone on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.